Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the input and setting the EQ to a neutral or flat preset so you hear changes clearly. Once done, solo the track and sweep each of the 7 bands quickly to find problem areas. Boost small amounts, like +2 to +4 dB, to reveal character. Make sure to use a moderate Q near 1, 0 so boosts feel musical. You'll address balance next, but first lock in these conservative boosts, and note which frequencies noticeably improve clarity or weight. Now you sculpt. Reduce masking by cutting with narrower QS where mud or harshness exists. Typical cuts range -3 to -6 dB. Then apply broader boosts to shape tone, add warmth around 60-250 Hz, clarity near 1 kHz, and air between 8-16 kHz as needed. Once you've moved several bands, toggle bypass to compare. This ensures your changes improve the mix rather than just adding color. Make sure to watch levels and trim or reduce global gain so you don't introduce clipping or false loudness gain. Finish by checking the EQ in the full mix rather than solo, small moves of 0.5 to 1 dB often make the most musical difference. Use a high-pass filter on non-bass elements or mid/side processing if stereo balance or low-end conflicts persist. Once satisfied, save your preset with notes. If your changes degrade the mix, don't panic. Bypass the EQ, reset the problematic band to flat, then reapply gain slowly. This quick rollback helps you diagnose whether boost, cut, or Q adjustments cause the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.